Hey everyone, today we're diving into a quick tip on using bullet points to make your ChatGPT prompts more organized and effective. Whether you're crafting queries for work, school, or just for fun, this technique can make a big difference. So let's break it down. Imagine you have a multi-part question or a complex topic. Let's say it's about artificial intelligence. Instead of writing one long rambling sentence, try using bullet points to separate each part of your prompt. Here's how. As you can see here, I have listed my key points as the overview of the main concepts of AI or artificial intelligence, recent developments of AI, and key benefits and drawbacks of AI. After listing these key points, just simply hit enter, and that's it. As you can see here, by organizing our questions this way, we help ChatGPT understand exactly what we are looking for to get a clearer and more structured response. Plus, it's a lot easier for us to keep track of the information we receive. And that's it for today. Try this out next time you're using ChatGPT and see how much smoother your interactions become.